Good afternoon, sir. Sorry about my voice. I am currently sick right now. So first let us solve 11.3, exercise 11.3, number 4, which is the integral of 0 to 6 and square this to 4 minus 2x, dx. So here we have our equation in which let u be 4 minus 2x and du as negative 2x dx. And how to get dx? First, we have 4 minus 2x, in which we will get a derivative of that, which will be du over dx is equal to d over dx 4 minus 2x. So the derivative of our constant number 4, it will be 0, and negative 2x will be negative 2, so it will become du is equals to negative 2 dx, and therefore we can put our negative 2 over here on the bottom part of du, so du over negative 2 is equals to dx. And therefore dx is equals to negative 1/2 du. Why negative 1/2? Because if we change this to dx goes over to the other side and du goes over here. Why negative 1/2? Because we have a negative 2 for our denominator, and on the numerator it will become automatically 1. So here's our answer for dx, in which is negative 1/2 du. I will erase this to have more area for solving. Now let us solve for V4 and it will be, we have to first get x of 6, which is x is equals to negative 6, in which its u would be 4 minus 2. X, change the x value to its negative 6, in which it will be 16. And for x is equals to 0, you got u is equals to 4 minus 2, 0 is equals to 4. So here's our answer. So and therefore in our integral we can put 4 over here as 4 is equals to 0 over here, and the x which is why it's 4. And then 16 on the lower half. Just this u as for this area. And copy the x, which is negative 1/2 du. Next, in order to get this negative 1/2 to a positive, we must bring it outside, which will become 1/2 integral of 16 and 4. As for why it's 16 and 4, it's because if this negative 1/2 will be brought outside, the integral will be switched. So there's that, and u 1/2 du. Why 1/2? This u 1/2 is because of this radical sign. And so next we have 1/2. Here we have u 3/2 over 3/2. This will be used by the identity function, and then we put there the 16 and the 4, and after that we will put this 3/2 in the denominator outside. It will become 1/2 times 2/3, in which it will become, it is it's just 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so it will become 1/3, and u, which is 16 3/2 minus 4 3/2, in which we'll get the over here in this part. Next, we have to get the value of this 16 3/2 and the negative 4 3/2, which will become, let's put an asterisk over here. As for 16 3/2, which will become square root of 16 cubed. Square root of 16 would be 4 cubed, and then the answer for that will be 64. And as for our 4 3/2, it will be of the same process, which is square root of 4 cubed and 2 cubed, which is 8. Next, we have that you will have the 1/3 change, 64 minus 8 is equals to 64 minus 8 is equals to 56. So 1/3 is equals to 56, and then 1 times 56 is equals to 56 over 3. And that is the answer. Thank you.